When raw photography power meets masterful craftsmanship, the result is simply breathtaking. Notice the precise texturing of the metal frame, the luxurious feel of the vegan leather, and the absolute symmetry of a camera module built to dominate. Every detail has been meticulously refined to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. This is the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. It looks so much like it. If you were to cover up the OPPO logo, I wouldn't hesitate for a second to say that this is a phone manufactured by Hasselblad. Just kidding. This is the Desert Silver Moon colorway of the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Photography enthusiasts will certainly be familiar with its design, as it perfectly pays homage to the Hasselblad X2D. It features a blocky overall shape, a meticulous golden ratio, complete Hasselblad branding, and a striking orange shutter button. It definitely delivers on emotional value. What's even more impressive is OPPO's attention to detail on the Ultra. 4 lenses of varying sizes and shapes are completely covered by a single piece of glass following a blackening treatment. The layout emphasizes a strict sense of order, and structurally it is organically integrated. If you look closely at the edge of the camera deco, you'll see a metal ring crafted with high-precision gear texturing, which also cleverly hides the microphone hole. Coupled with the brilliant orange ring accent, it achieves a lens aesthetic that isn't obtrusive, but just right. In fact, for a phone where the imaging hardware is packed to the absolute brim, the camera bump on the Find X9 Ultra really isn't that severe. The refinement of the materials and the in-hand feel are also spot on. The vegan leather texture on the back panel and the frosted metallic grain of the mid-frame are blended in complementary proportions. The tactile feel is close to that of a dedicated camera, but the grip is better tailored to the palm of your hand. If you still prefer a more traditional design, there are also the ocean blue and sepia ink variants. As we mentioned earlier, OPPO's Ultra aims to be a flagship phone with extreme imaging capabilities, not just a camera that happens to surf the web. Therefore, it hasn't compromised much on its core specs. Among these specs, what I think is really worth highlighting is its screen. This 6.82-inch flat display has achieved a bezel width of just 1.4 millimeters. It utilizes BOE's X3 substrate alongside a custom-developed Display P3 Pro chip. It boasts a 2K resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate. In our tests, the full-screen manual peak brightness reached 820 nits, and the peak HDR brightness hit 1850 nits. Visually, it sits comfortably in the top tier of flagship smartphones. While achieving all of this, it hasn't sacrificed eye care features. A precise dimming strategy protects your eyes across various usage scenarios, and the 2160 Hz PWM dimming. It also features a minimum brightness of just 1 nit and TUV Rhineland certification. With the fully maxed out Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor paired with a 5000 mAh long lifespan battery, 100-watt wired flash charging, and 50-watt wireless flash charging, gamers can rest completely easy regarding the Find X9 Ultra's performance output and battery life. Alright, it's time to return to today's main theme, the cameras. As usual, let's look at the hardware first. OPPO has essentially done a comprehensive overhaul on top of the already well-balanced foundation of the previous generation. Every single lens has been upgraded, and every aspect of the experience has been accounted for. First up is the main camera, which uses Sony's current top-tier flagship sensor, the LYT-900. We're no strangers to this one. A 1-inch sensor size and 50 megapixels. The focal length remains at 23 millimeters, but the aperture has upgraded to f1.8, so don't assume it's a downgrade just because of any specific spec shift. In fact, its overall light intake is 10% higher than the previous generation. Next is the mid-teletone lens. This is probably the first time someone has packed a massive 1.56-inch sensor and an f2.6 aperture into a 3x or higher focal length. The large sensor and wide aperture produce dreamy depth of field. The 50 megapixels provide exquisite image quality, and it also features a close focusing distance of 15 centimeters for macro capabilities alongside optical image stabilization. This IMX890 at a 65mm equivalent is without a doubt the absolute ceiling for mobile telephone lenses. OPPO didn't neglect the less frequently used ultra-wide lens either. It uses the LYT-900, an old friend of ours, with 50 megapixels and 1.95-inch sensor size. Combined with a large f2.0 aperture at 14 millimeters, the overall light intake has improved by 56% compared to the previous generation. Even if the Find X9 Ultra only had these 3 lenses, I'd feel it's strong enough to go head-to-head with competing Ultra models and be well worth the price. As for the 6x and 10x telephoto performance everyone is eager to see, we'll save that for later. Let's first take a look at some straight-out-of-the-camera photo comparisons. For reference, we brought in an international competitor's top-tier model, the Samsung S24 Ultra, which also features a 200-megapixel main camera. In a daytime environment with relatively sufficient lighting, zooming in slightly reveals that the Find X9 Ultra has better resolving power. Compared to the Samsung S24 Ultra, it has more abundant detail, and the computational sharpening artifacts are much more restrained. This isn't just hardware dominance, it's also the advantage of dynamic resolution tuning. When there is enough light and the subject is relatively still, utilizing high megapixels can deliver fantastic details, providing much better experience than simply offering a raw megapixel toggle switch. Another advantage of a high megapixel count is seen in zoom handoffs. Users who prefer 35mm or 50mm perspectives don't have to worry about quality loss after cropping. For this sensor, zooming up to 3x in any weather, rain, shine, or snow is absolutely no problem. At 3x, the Samsung is simply crushed mercilessly. It can't be helped. The 10-megapixel sensor it uses is hardware that is technically inferior even to the Find X9 Ultra's front-facing camera. The Find X9 Ultra doesn't falter at all even when cropping from its 3x base, and it can even capture natural depth of field at a distance. Against that, even the Samsung's native 5x coming into play doesn't help much. Comparatively, the improvement in ultra-wide photos isn't quite as dramatic. The resolving power is significantly better than the S24 Ultra, and compared to the previous generation, its main advantage is that the HDR algorithm is much more composed. The gap between them really only widens significantly in night scenes. Now, for the next few sets of sample shots, I'm gonna hide the watermarks. You can intuitively choose which phone you think took the best shot and vote in the comments. Okay, time for the reveal. A is the Samsung S24 Ultra, while B and C are the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Find X9 Ultra respectively. I'm guessing the vast majority of you chose C. This built-in optical powerhouse didn't let us down. At 10x and beyond, its performance leads by a massive margin. Because the baseline hardware is excellent enough, the computational artifacts after zooming are remarkably restrained. Beyond hardware, color science is a major focus of this upgrade. If you've ever felt that the colors from your previous phones were a bit flat or perhaps too vibrant and unnatural, then the Find X9 Ultra's Master Mode will absolutely blow you away. This mode not only provides professional-grade color tuning, but also allows you to make micro adjustments based on your own preferences. Whether you prefer a fresh, natural look or a rich vintage style, you can dial it in effortlessly. In portrait mode, this color science truly shines. Skin tones are rendered authentically and naturally, and the background bokeh transitions smoothly without that obvious artificial cutout look. If you ask me what area the Find X7 Ultra surpasses Hasselblad in, it's definitely gotta be shooting video. And it's absolutely not because Hasselblad cameras can't shoot video. Absolutely not. The leap in video quality brought by hardware upgrades is obvious. This is especially true for stabilization. When in motion, it looks as if it's mounted on a gimbal with incredibly smooth and stable trajectories. But I want to talk more about the upgrades for professional creation. Phones that can shoot 8K are no longer rare, but a phone capable of shooting 8K 10-bit log is quite extraordinary. 4K at 120 frames per second 10-bit is also fully supported. To satisfy more professional users and specific scene requirements, released alongside the Find X9 Ultra is this Hasselblad Professional Imaging Kit. It includes a phone case, a filter adapter ring, a shoulder strap, and the heavyweight champion, the Hasselblad Professional Teleconverter Ultra. Into this teleconverter, which is about the same length as the phone, they've packed 16 glass elements. It can extend the Find X9 Ultra's 70mm lens to 300mm, giving you a glimpse of its massive optical hardware stacking. OPPO has also thoughtfully included a tripod collar, a lens hood, and a carrying bag. Finally, let's talk about the operating system. After 6 months of refinement, ColorOS 16 has achieved unprecedented heights in terms of fluidity and stability. It's fully packed with practical little features. For example, the brand new Aqua Dynamics feature not only makes information display more intuitively, but makes the interaction experience feel far more natural. The addition of large AI models also makes the phone significantly smarter. Whether it's the voice assistant or AI copywriting, it will definitely bring you some very pleasant surprises. Overall, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is not only an imaging flagship that pushes hardware specs to the absolute limit, but it's also a highly well-rounded device that continuously refines its software experience in pursuit of perfection. If you are a user who has an extreme passion for photography, but also heavily values everyday usability and experience, then this phone is absolutely worth your consideration.